In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find help for the GasBuddy app. First, open the GasBuddy app on your mobile device. You will see the app's home screen with various options. This is where you can access all the features that GasBuddy offers. The app is designed to help you find the best gas prices and more. Taking this initial step is essential because it sets the stage for all the help options available to you. If you're on an iPhone or Android, the process is the same. Just find and tap the app icon and you're ready to move forward. Once that is done, tap your Profile or Member tab. This tab usually appears at the bottom of the screen. It may have your profile picture or a silhouette icon. By tapping this tab, you access your account settings and personal information. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage your GasBuddy account effectively. You'll also find options for support and help here. Don't worry if you can't find your profile picture. The interface is designed to guide you to the right place. From there, open Help and FAQs or support. This will direct you to a section specifically designed to address common issues and inquiries. On this screen, you will see a list of frequently asked questions and articles that provide valuable information. This is important because it can save you time. Often the answers you need are right here, waiting for you to discover them. Take a moment to scroll through the topics and see if anything matches your question. Now browse the help articles or use the search bar to find answers. If you have a specific issue in mind, the search bar is your best friend. Type in keywords related to your problem, and the app will provide relevant articles. This step is particularly helpful for finding quick solutions to common problems. You may find exactly what you need without having to reach out for further support. Remember, the more specific you are in your search, the better your results will be. After that, if you still need assistance, tap Contact Support or submit a request. This option will guide you to a support form where you can explain your issue in detail. This step is crucial because it ensures that your problem is documented and reviewed by the support team. You will see a confirmation on the screen once you submit your request. This gives you peace of mind knowing your issue is now in the hands of professionals who can help. Next, complete the support form with the necessary details. Include your GasBuddy account email, a description of the issue, screenshots if applicable, and the device you're using. Providing this information is essential for a quick resolution. It allows the support team to understand your situation better and assist you effectively. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it helps in resolving your request quickly. With that ready, review your information before submitting the form. Double-check for any errors or missing details. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure that your request is processed without delays. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and submit your request. You will see a confirmation message reassuring you that your issue is being addressed. In conclusion, finding help for the GasBuddy app is straightforward and user-friendly. By following these steps, you can navigate the app's support features with ease. Whether you are browsing FAQs or contacting support, you are well equipped to get the assistance you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.